unboxing this little toy drone. I don't know if you guys know this, but I am I'm studying for my Part 107 license, which is commercial drone pilot's license. And I figured I'd start off small and take you along with me. Thinking about getting into FPV drones. So this is the Holystone. It's more of a toy, but you got to start somewhere, right? So let's see what we got here. This is my first time. This is like a little unboxing. Let's see what comes in the package. Comes with the manual, the battery. It looks like a little clip so I can take off the propellers. I think that's the battery. Very cool. And there's like a QR code. The drone is so small, it fits in its own controller. So this is something I just want to you start off drone piloting. Look how small this is. It's tiny. It's so cute. It fits in the palm of my hand. Yeah, I just want to get into drones, and I think I want to do real estate drones. I want to do photography. Definitely going to use this for social media. It has the controllers. Yeah, this is just the unboxing, and we'll get into it. So follow me for more to come, folks. Yeah, this is the beginning of my drone journey. So I figured I'd start off small. This is great. Can't wait. We'll talk about it later.